You will never eat salad another way after learning this recipe. Let me show you how to make this flavorful, healthy, colorful salad that pairs well with rice and any other thing you want to use it with. Let me show you. So you begin by creating some carrots and then place that into a plate very nicely as you see me do. And then you want to go ahead and cut your cabbage. Now this is not exactly the regular coleslaw, so I'm going to be cutting my cabbage into tiny cubes, right? And then I'm going to add that to the carrot bowl, after which I'm going to take a cucumber, slice off the head and the bottom part of it, and then slice it right down in the middle as you see me do. And then you want to go ahead with a spoon or something to scoop out the seed and the juicy watery parts in the middle. You don't want that. You want everything firm in this salad, okay? Nothing soggy, no seeds, nothing. So after removing that, you want to also cut them into tiny cubes like the cabbage earlier. The reason why we did not cut our carrots into cubes is because it will be too strong, and we need something that would mix well with the other vegetables to give us, that perfect crunchy delicious salad. So after that, I'm going to take some strong emphasis on strong tomatoes, and you're just going to cut off the hard part, the skin. Remember I said nothing soggy in this recipe, so you're going to cut that into cubes as well. And we are not done. You need some apples. You can use green apples, but I decided to use this for some extra colors. Most of my ingredients are green. This red apple is going to add extra color. Then you're just going to cut that into cubes. A little tip: if you do not want your apple to get brown very easily, cut it last, or you soak it in salt and sugar water for a bit before adding it to the rest of the vegetable. And then for the cream, we are going to be using just mayonnaise and some water. I used water to dilute this mayonnaise because I do not want it to be thick, and I want ease while I am mixing it with my salad. Okay, the reason why we're not adding ketchup or mustard or any other dressing to this cream mix is because most of the other ingredients are already a mix of flavor. The apple is going to give you that sour sweet taste, as well as the fresh tomatoes and then the other ingredients. So just mayonnaise is fine for this particular recipe. And you guys, look at that, just mix, and I promise you this is going to be one of the best salads you have ever tasted in your life, and you will come back to thank me for it. I paired this with fried rice that I made, and it was super delicious. You can check out the fried rice recipe here. Do not forget to nourish, flourish, and glow healthy foodies. Salads like this would help you glow. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.